The LFGI is a state-of-the-art compounding aseptic isolator for compounding pharmacies. This video covers the 5 steps needed to prepare your LFGI for operation. A detailed checklist is in the LFGI User's Manual. The first step is to select the location to place your LFGI. State regulations pertaining to room access or professional considerations may impact where you place your LFGI. When deciding where to place the LFGI, it is important to consider on which side of the unit the airlock is located, as this may impact the amount of space required. Unlike an open front hood, room air currents will not adversely affect the quality of compounding done in an LFGI. This gives you a lot of flexibility when considering just where to place a unit. The LFGI should be plugged into a standard 3-prong electrical outlet. This will ensure that the equipment is properly grounded. The electrical height adjustment requires its own power receptacle and a 15-amp circuit. Step 2. Move and unwrap the LFGI. The LFGI is a complete and self-contained unit and is shipped fully assembled. Wheels make it easy to move the LFGI. The LFGI is designed to fit through standard-sized doors. To minimize the introduction of contamination, remove the shrink wrap outside of the room where the LFGI will be placed. Step 3. Set up the LFGI. Once the LFGI is in place, lock the casters to secure the unit. Put the pre-filter into its frame at the top of the unit. Part of your pre-filter may remain visible after it's set in place. This is normal. Your LFGI is shipped with gloves, sleeves, cleaning supplies, and rubber stoppers. There are 2 optional waste receptacles. One is a 2-piece black garbage can, which attaches with a gasket and clamp. The other is a stainless steel open container designed to be used with a disposable bag. The stainless steel tube that extends from the cabinet is for attaching the sharps container. Screw the white plastic lid onto the sharps container and slide the tube over the stainless steel. Tighten the clamps with a screwdriver. Place rubber stoppers into the waste tube and the sharps tube. Next, install the glove sleeves. For a detailed explanation of glove sleeve installation and replacement, please refer to the glove sleeves section of the video. Step 4. Clean the LFGI. Before using the LFGI for making patient preparations, the entire unit must be thoroughly cleaned. The cleaning section of this video will walk you through the steps required for both the initial and periodic rigorous cleanings, as well as the frequent between-use cleanings. Once your LFGI has been properly cleaned, you will be ready for the final step. Step 5. Test and certify the LFGI. Every LFGI is tested before leaving Germfree's factory for proper function and performance. However, on-site certification must be completed before using the LFGI for making patient preparations. Before operating your LFGI, the HEPA filters, airflows, and pressures should be tested to confirm that the unit was not damaged in transit and has been properly installed. Certification of your LFGI must be performed by a company that has the proper equipment and training needed to test and measure HEPA filter performance. Certification of your LFGI should be completed semi-annually or as your state or local regulations dictate. Your organization's standard operating procedures may also require periodic certification. Once your LFGI has been certified, it's ready for operation. Germfree recommends familiarizing your staff with how to operate and clean this equipment before compounding preparations for patient use.